subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new smartphone under A series in Vietnam called Oppo A93, and it shares similar design to the earlier launched Oppo F17 Pro or Reno 4 Lite smartphone, but it has some changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A93 supports a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90.7% screen to body ratio, and it has a pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner that carries a dual 16 plus 2 megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone features a quad camera setup in a square module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad-ray camera includes a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view plus two 2 megapixel monochrome sensors with f2.4 aperture. The quad-ray cameras of the phone supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, and it also comes with ultra steady mode feature for anti-shake video recording. Under the hood, the Oppo A93 is powered by MediaTek Helio P95 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that can be further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on ColorOS 7.2 skin on top, and it comes backed by 4000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.14 by 73.77 by 7.48 mm, and it weighs around 164 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A93 has been priced in Vietnam at 7,490,000 Vietnamese dong, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and magical white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A93 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.